Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Scorpio, let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. Alright Scorpio, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all the support. I'm very blessed and very grateful. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards, your action cards, etc. All right. Okay. Okay. Person A and person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the 10 of Wands. So something become more of a burden than a relationship here, Scorpio. Somebody is feeling very overwhelmed. Why is that? Let me see. Person A. According to person A, it's already out in the open. This connection has stagnated. Things are out in the open. There are no more secrets here. This is over. But the other person, they are very upset and angry, it seems. They feel everything is backfiring on them. This connection is not just taking off and it's becoming a little bit of a burden to them, I think. Person A seems to be quite cool and collected to say, hey, I've already laid my cards out on the table. I have nothing to do with this. So let's see what's happening. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, Scorpio, now, what that would be. And then we'll do the clarifications, okay? So Scorpio and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. What would that be? Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. One more. Scorpio and their person. Okay. Let's take one more. Scorpio and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a few more from another deck, Scorpio, for you. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Scorpio and their person. Thank you. All right, good to go. Let's start your reading, Scorpio. The first card here says, I know I have narcissistic tendencies, but I'm not one. I developed these traits to protect myself. Yes, the King of Swords in reverse, well, screams narcissism, to be honest. But whatever they've been portraying themselves as, they feel this entire thing has backfired on me now, because my person has stopped giving to the connection. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. I'm embarrassed, over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? Can I trust you not to break my heart again? It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. Trying to gather up courage to get in contact with you. You deserve to be loved. You are very special. I'm happy for you. Wishing you the best, even if it's with someone else. Alright, Scorpio, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading now. As always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Marriage is your card, Scorpio. So either somebody wants to be married to the other one, but sometimes this card also represents severing ties of a marriage. I mean, if you look closely, there's a dark home behind this woman, right? And she's stepping out of like a window or a door, and there's darkness behind her. So can you see the card? Yeah. Okay, so this could go either way. Either somebody wants to now marry somebody else, or maybe one person is deciding, hey, I'm done here. I'm done here. I've reached a level of stagnation, and I'm laying it out on the table that I can't deal with any more of this BS. So let's see. Let's clarify the cards and find out what this means. I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Scorpio. Person A, you could be on either side, so I'm not going to be judging here. You would know. Page of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, for person A. Page of Pentacles in reverse. I think person A has spent a lot of time in solitude, in silence, and they've kind of gone back in history, I think, to realize that there's too much conflict here. I've never felt respected. I've never felt grounded. I've never felt at home or a feeling of peace. So I think it's best that I end this connection maybe, or it's become just too stagnant for me. What's the High Priestess in reverse, Spirit? Yes, this connection has too many bad memories now. That's what I was feeling. My gut was telling me there's too many bad memories which have been created, and person A, when they think about all these bad memories, they feel very stressed out. They feel very, very stressed out and tensed up to feel that can I really go through that again? I mean, it's all out in the open now. Do I want to make that choice to revisit something which I have already done my healing now? I've spent enough time trying to understand this connection. I'm not sure whether I can do this again. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to have made that decision? Five of Wands. Too much of fighting, too much of conflict. Five of Wands, Spirit. Yes, it pushed them to make a decision. It pushed person A to make a decision and maybe, start planning their future. Which direction should I go towards now? I'm very unhappy here. There's no emotional happiness. Two of Wands, Spirit. Two of Wands. What's this Two of Wands? Two of Wands. I think person A did get an offer from this person B. Maybe they were given a choice. Do you want to revisit? But I think so much time has gone by in solitude. I think person A is now not really ready to move this forward. Chariot in reverse, and they're guarding themselves. They're guarding their energy. I think even though I feel that person could have asked them to, choose. Do you want to try again, or should we, do you want to do this again? I have a feeling that person A is in their head right now, maybe by themselves, trying to make a decision, and the decision they seem to be making, at least till now, is I don't think I can do this again. So how does person A now feel about person B or the connection, Spirit? Ace of Swords and Page of Wands. What's this Ace of Swords? Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords, Spirit. I think person A is open to communication. I don't see them totally ending things with person B, but they also feel that there is no justice, there is no balance, there is no equal give and take. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. I am not sure. I have a feeling person A is not totally cutting off communication, but they do feel that person may love them but is very emotionally manipulative. I don't think they're ready for a reconciliation. They don't have the fight left in them to try this one more time. They're making a decision maybe to start off on a brand new journey for themselves. One more, Spirit, for the Page of Wands. Yes, they've lost hope in this connection. It's simple as that. Person A is kind of lost hope that this connection can ever give them what they deserve. So I don't see any, harsh cutting off but I don't see person A really. They feel, I know the truth now. I know that this is not a connection which will ever make me feel stable. So what action they'll finally take, I'll open later. Scorpio, let's go on to the other side. Let's see how person B is feeling. Person B has the Seven of Swords in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? They are the ones who are feeling overwhelmed. They feel that there's something they did, either they got caught doing that, something shady which they shouldn't have done, or they feel that everything has backfired on them. Whatever was done this connection entirely is not working out. King of Swords in reverse. Yes, they have the same card, same place. High Priestess in reverse. Everything has come out in the open, and that's actually making them very upset and angry. Maybe they were trying to hide behind a cover of I've changed or something, and they became desperate or did something which revealed their true side. And now they're very upset and angry that, person A has witnessed something which they were trying to hide. One more, Spirit, for the King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. Yeah, they feel that their person is dropping them. They're not. Everything is out in the open. Whatever impression they were trying to give, I think, has been revealed, and they've been portrayed as somebody who's heartless, who's cold, who's not very good with their communication, and they feel everything is all their secrets are out, and their person is not willing to stick around anymore. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way? Ten of Pentacles. Person B was trying to, I think, cover up or get over their past behavior of being immature, or at least trying to pretend that they hadn't. They were trying to communicate with person A, maybe trying to propose to them or offer marriage or long-term commitment, maybe even apologizing for their past behavior of when they never were, stable or not doing the right thing or creating chaos or just being a player in general. They may have tried to even apologize in the recent past, because person B sees person A as very naive, very loving, very kind, very innocent, and the perfect person they'd want in their life, right? So they may have even tried to apologize or propose, because they were looking at their future. They wanted to have a good future, but they were hiding that they were not all that they were portraying. They could have been portraying, they may not be feeling very stable, I guess, without this Queen of Cups in their life. And King of Pentacles in reverse is somebody who's not the best for me. Scorpio, they are more into, money and their status and their 3D and their cars and their houses. So they may have kind of thought that they could hide all that and get person A back in their life by an apology. But something came out which kind of spinned the wheel. Person B basically wanted to have a brand new chapter with person A, but it shut down. And now they're very stressed about it. They feel, I had one shot to make this right, and I lost it. Something they did out of desperation. Now, each of you will have a different story for me. Share some if you can. But they're feeling very overwhelmed by their own behavior, which has now been exposed. So how does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit? Justice. What's this Justice card? Justice. They feel, somewhere deep in their heart, they feel that person A is actually doing the right thing by leaving them out in the cold or holding back from them, and they don't like it. Somewhere they know what they've done or what they've portrayed themselves as. But yeah, they're feeling that person is doing the right thing for themselves and they're releasing them. It's not actually making them feel very happy. In fact, they're feeling now rejected, neglected, feeling bored and lonely once again. That little bit of hope that they had that they could somehow portray themselves as somebody else and woo back person A or woo person A into a commitment, it hasn't worked. So, Four of Cups. Yeah, they feel all the games that they were planning to play or they were playing on person A has totally backfired on them, and it's left them feeling like a loser. So what action will you guys take now, if any? I'm going to take another deck for this one, Scorpio, and if you guys are still here, that means it's resonating with your story somewhat, right? Please leave a little thumbs up. It really helps the videos to circulate. And newbies, if you're still here, if you're subscribing, I'd love to see you again on Friday for the Love Bite. Make sure you click the notification bells as well, so that YouTube can, send you a little notification whenever, so you don't miss the readings basically. Thank you. So, what action, Spirit, will person A take towards person B or otherwise? Two of Cups in reverse. Person A doesn't believe in this anymore. They feel this was a false soulmate, false twin flame, or maybe this lesson has been learnt from the soulmate. They are holding back. They are holding back. They don't want to go back into a place of anxiety, of stress and tension, the same sleepless nights of overthinking. Been there, done that. I know what I've seen. Everything is out in the open and I'm going to protect myself. Person A is not very sure of this at all. I think they've kind of given up on this connection. Person A's action is that they're going to guard their energy. So, person B, will you take any action now? Ace of Cups in reverse. Why is that an action? Why is that an action? Person B is really feeling that loss of love. My God, 10 of Pentacles again. They desperately wanted, I don't know what happened here. This person B really wanted this marriage and long term with person A. They did see person A as their Queen of Cups, the loving, kind, nurturing, beautiful person who would give them love forever, right? But now they feel they've lost it. Ace of Cups in reverse. They feel this chapter has been shut down. There was a tower moment which may have recently happened where something got exposed. Some truth came out. And now person B feels they've lost their chance. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.